Hey guys, this is how do I invite someone to Blue Sky. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and open up the Blue Sky application. And in order for you to invite someone, just simply tap on your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from here, just simply go to the right side of the screen and you should be able to see the three dots beside the edit profile button. So tap on the three dots and from here you should be able to tap on share. And now from here guys, you should be able to share it into your friends and into Instagram chats. So from here, you should be able to share the link. And when they click on your link, you should be able to invite them and it will prompt them to create an account into Blue Sky or download the application Blue Sky. Or another thing that you should do is just simply tap on copy at the top over here and you should be able to send it to your friend. And from there, you should be able to invite them. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.